Welcome back. So this is part 3 of the video. So what we want to create is create a box. So type box, okay, or click box. Any comments? Okay, where do we want to start the box? At the origin. So we can say 0, comma 0, 0. Perfect. Okay. So in the previous class we had a question. John, I like the box to be like this. I do not want to be rotated, isn't it? I said fine. Okay. So what we can do is we can press tab key and switch between dimensions. Okay. Let's say this is the length. We need it to be, let's say 10. Okay. Then we need the width to be 5. Perfect. Then press enter, and then we can change the height, isn't it? Let's say we want to go down, we just keep the arrow down and press enter. Any comments? To adjust it, press Ctrl 1. Yeah, and then we can change what we need. Okay, so let's say length is 10, width is 5, height is 5, isn't it? Okay, now what will happen is, you say, John, let's just move it on the forward, isn't it? We want to move this object, simple story. Okay, from where? Any comments? Okay, I think that's the story. Sorry, 3D, no? Okay, anyway, I hope people enjoyed this class. My aim was to teach you how to do the, how to draw the building, isn't it? Okay, this is called gizmo. We'll learn how to do it. Okay, we'll learn how to do it, don't worry. My aim was just to show you how do we do it in a manual method. Okay, anyway, take care. We see each other in the next class.